Today we have Lucy. She's a boxer. She's 3 years old. Her brothers just got done with the 2-week board train as well. So she's a little dog reactive. They're not for sure if it's with their other dog or what. It started right as she got pregnant. But she knows some of her commands, just doesn't understand them or follow through with them. But let's see what she does today. Hey, Lucy, come. Good girl. Sit. Lucy, sit. Lucy, down. Sit. Good girl. Lucy, place. Place. Good girl. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Good sit, good girl. Yep. Yep. Lucy, come. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, that's a good girl, yes. Well, you saw what she can do, see her transformation from day 1 to day 14 on Facebook and YouTube. Have a nice day.
For the victory lap though. Whoa, whoa. They ain't never seen nothing like this before. Lit the room when I came through the front door. Ask me if I stress overcome, what for? Train in the trees, please pardon my sycamore. Touch burning sands, cross lands and stormy shore seasons in the year, yeah. Ain't no challenge for champions and chain no fear. Yup, the champ is here, switch gears. We keeping haters in the rear. At the blood, sweat and tears and my goal so near. I see my victory so clear. I see my victory so clear. And today, we break through. 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 I know it's lonely at the top, but that's not by speculation. But the position that I got, I climb too high to fall, work too hard to drop. Stop clocks on the speed bag. Every yell under pressure, no jet lag. This is greater than trophies and saluted flags. Titles of fame, the cost is paid. Yay, I carried the cross I made. Dealt with the dealer, baby, the hand was played. New level, next stage. Learn to lead it to legend. Now tell me what's my next stage, yeah. I said the champ is here, switch gears. We keeping haters in the rear. At the blood, sweat and tears and my goal so near. I see my victory so clear. And today, we break through. 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 For the victory lap though. Whoa, whoa. They ain't never seen nothing like this before. Lit the room when I came through the front door. Ask me if I stress overcome, what for? Train in the trees, please pardon my sycamore. Touch burning sands, cross lands and stormy shore seasons in the year, yeah. Ain't no challenge for champions and chain no fear. Yup, the champ is here, switch gears. We keeping haters in the rear. At the blood, sweat and tears and my goal so near. I see my victory so clear. I see my victory so clear. And today, we break through. 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 the tail. But that's not by speculation. But the position that I got, I climb too high to fall, way too hard to drop. Stop clocks on the speed bag. Every yell under pressure, no jet lag. This is greater than trophies and saluted flags. Titles of fame, the cost is paid. Yay, I carried the cross I made. Dealt with the dealer, baby, the hand was played. New level, next stage. Learn to lead as a legend. Now tell me what's my next stage, yeah. I said the champ is here, switch gears. We keeping haters in the rear. After blood, sweat, and tears, and my goal so near. I see my life is so clear. And today, we break through. 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 For the victory lap though. Whoa, whoa. They ain't never seen nothing like this before. Lit the room